If you want to try video creation but don't want to invest too much upfront in a Pocket 4 or 4P, then this product is a good choice. This time, I'll be bringing you an unboxing experience of the Osmo Mobile 8P. The one I have is the all-around VLOG kit. Besides the Mob 8P, it also comes with a Mac Mini 2 transmitter and a Mac series phone receiver. The main purpose is for audio recording with the Mob 8P. It comes pre-assembled, including the main body of the gimbal, a magnetic phone clip, a viewfinder, remote control, a multifunctional tracking module, and a Type-C charging cable. The bottom of the 8P is still a split tripod, with a larger unfolded radius than the previous generation, making it more stable. Additionally, the pan axis can be flipped forward to unlock a ground-level perspective, making it easier to shoot low-angle videos. This is the biggest hardware innovation and upgrade. The separate viewfinder design is a huge advantage for solo creators, especially when shooting selfies or distant subjects where composition often relies on luck. You're stuck taking unsatisfactory shots and having to reshoot. The separate remote control design solves this problem. It allows direct control of the gimbal for taking photos and videos within a 10-meter range, switching between portrait and landscape modes, adjusting zoom, and even projecting your phone screen onto the remote in real time. This allows you to clearly see the composition and make adjustments, greatly improving shooting efficiency. Another particularly useful feature of the Mobile 8P is its intelligent tracking. It offers 3 tracking modes. First, MIO Intelligent Tracking 8.0, which requires the DJI Neo app and can track not only people but also animals like children. Second, the second-generation AI tracking module. This requires the use of a tracking module. The advantage of this tracking is that it can be used directly with the original camera or other third-party cameras, without the Neo app. It can track not only people and pets, but also cars and any object. The third one is the direct connection to the phone for intelligent tracking. However, the supported phones are not very common. Currently, it supports Apple, Duck, Harmony OS intelligent tracking, and Samsung Gimbal target tracking. It can only track people. I would recommend the first two. I don't need to say much about the image stabilization. Let me show you how it runs. The footage is very smooth, much better than the phone's built-in electronic image stabilization. Overall, if you are a content creator who often shoots vlogs, restaurant reviews, and selfies alone, the efficiency brought by the split remote control is definitely worth the price. It allows you to create a pocket-like solo creative experience with your phone. Okay, that's all for this video. So, what do you think of this upgrade? Let's discuss it in the comments section.